press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I am quite excited because a couple of people that I know, Rasika is one of them, and I think she's a fab actor. And the story looks very interesting. Tigmanshu sir I have worked with before in Criminal Justice, and Ejaz is again a friend. I loved Hamid. Both Rasika and Ejaz are together. So yeah, in totality, I'm really excited to watch it.
Of this web series is all about the unfaithful partners. So what's your take on it?
Yeah, I feel that if there is infidelity in the relationship, there is something really wrong in the relationship, first of all. So, yeah, infidelity is hurtful and it is a wrong thing to do. But apart from that, you have to see what is missing in the relationship. So, just basically hyping that up is not, that's not my personal belief system. I think instances of infidelity are subjective. What matters is how the bond in the relationship is, and you can work on it if you have to.
Okay, recently you have got a huge response from a recent role for movie Law. And it's the highest movie of this year. So how
Thank you.
proud you are part of that movie?
I am very thankful to the audience, to God for making it such a huge success. I had great fun shooting it, and it's been, it's very close to my heart. I had a great time with Hrithik and Tiger both, and YRF is like home now. So yeah, I'm very excited the way it was received, and good things are coming.
Okay, any upcoming project you'd like to share with us?
Well, Criminal Justice 2, which is again with Applause, the same makers, that's going to start about, I think, this next month. And I'm working on this web series with Prakash Jha also. So that's also there. And there's another one which is about to release, Asura Mood. So yeah, and there are some things that are in the pipeline. Let's hope it gets finalized.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure, Rasika ma'am, big congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Response मिल रहा है आपके ट्रेलर।
हाँ?
तो मैं ये जानना चाहिए कि कैसे आपको appreciation मिल रहा है?
लोगों को ट्रेलर बहुत ही पसंद आया और बहुत ऐसे लोग थे मैंने सोचा था कि उनको शायद ये ट्रेलर पसंद नहीं आएगा क्योंकि शायद ये उनका जॉनर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स जिनसे मैंने उम्मीद नहीं की थी उन्होंने भी बोला कि उनको ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद आया। तो उम्मीद है कि लोग सीरीज़ भी देखेंगे जो 22 नवंबर को रिलीज़ होगी।
ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट के बात करें अबाउट अनफेथफुल वेब पार्टनर, और
जी।
आज के दौर में हम देखा है तो बहुत देखा जा रहा है
जी।
और हमने अंशु सर से बात की थी, उन्होंने कहा कि इट्स नेचुरल। सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
I think it's a very common thing. Unfortunately, not many people talk about it. So other people also stop talking about it because they feel ashamed of a situation like this. But the fact is that it happens very commonly. And so the series is interesting कि जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है मुझे लगता है वो भी रिलेट करेंगे इस सीरीज से, और जिनके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है वो उन लोगों को जज करना बंद कर देंगे जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, मेरे ख्याल से।
ओके, वैसे क्या आप कह सकते हैं आपके पास जो सक्सेस है और या कोड है टू क्रैक द कोड ऑफ वेब सीरीज, क्योंकि आपने जो भी वेब सीरीज की सुपर द मिर्जापुर, दिल्ली क्राइम एंड नाउ दिस वन,
ऐसा कोई सीक्रेट कोड नहीं है। अगर आप दिल से अगर दिल से आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ बेझिझक वो करिए और बिना डर के करिए। जब दिल्ली क्राइम की स्क्रिप्ट आई थी तो कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था ऑन बोर्ड, लेकिन हम सब एक्टर्स ने they believed in the story and that's why we did the show, and today it is where it is. So be a part of, without being afraid, be a part of stories which are different, stories which are compelling, stories which should be told.
ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सुटेबल बॉय भी बहुत जल्दी आ रही है
जी।
टॉप ऑफ द टाउन, क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितने एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट?
Sorry?
कितने एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट? बिकॉज़ बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें तब्बू जी हैं, ईशान है।
I am very excited about the cast of A Suitable Boy. There are over 100 characters in the show and being played by very lovely actors. एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मिक्स ऑफ एक्टर्स है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड एक्टर्स भी हैं और बहुत नए एक्टर्स भी हैं जो बहुत फ्रेशनेस लेकर आ रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट पे। सो कभी कभी मैं सेट पर बस बैठ के एक्टर्स को देखती रहती हूँ कि सब कैसे अपना काम कर रहे हैं। इट्स अ जॉयस एक्सपीरियंस फॉर दैट, इट्स अ वेरी लवली ensemble cast. And of course, the one thing that we all have in common is our complete awe and respect for Meera Nair and the work that she has done.
Thank you. I have a pleasure.
Thank you.
So Roshni, how actually are you on here Out of Love?
Oh, I'm very excited. One of my favorites, Rasika, is in it, so I'm really excited to watch it because of her. Also because I think that,
the trailer was very interesting, and I love that these kind of shows are being made, and there's stuff for urban people like us to watch. So I'm very excited to watch it.
All about the unfaithful, their partners.
Yes.
Someone thinks it's a tension or someone thinks it's a crime. So what's your thought on it?
No, I think loyalty is a concept that I hold very close to my heart, whether it's to friends, whether it's to work, whether it's to your partner. And, also the world we live in now, a lot of people say that loyalty is dead. But I'm on the other spectrum of things. I'm very, very traditional. And, I believe there's some things in life which you shouldn't compromise on, and loyalty is certainly one of them.
Okay, Roshni, any upcoming project you'd like to share with us? Because your fans are waiting for you to watch.
I know everyone's been asking me. I'm waiting for a good web series or something. I don't know. I'm in talks with a lot of people, but we haven't decided.
What web series you're looking for?
I'd like to do something urban. I've done a lot of shows which are, Saas Bahu kind of shows, and there was a time for that. And then I've done so much reality. I've done all different kinds of reality shows, game shows, and, even won some of them and anchored so many of them. But now I think this is a golden era for, this kind of content, and this is my kind of content. I'm very excited to engage with it. So I'm just really waiting for the right show, and I feel it's close by. So let's see. Fingers crossed.